Hey everybody, I'm here today to answer a question about driverless cars. And the question is, will you have to pay insurance on driverless cars? Now there are a few factors that come into play, but here's what it comes down to. And this is just my opinion because I don't know if this will be true or not, but this is my best guess, okay? So I think that you will indeed have to pay insurance on driverless cars, and I'm gonna tell you why. You will have to pay insurance on driverless cars because there's still a chance that something can happen to them and that someone will have to pay for a replacement. And if you buy a car tomorrow and the next day it breaks down or someone steals it, then you just lost your $30,000 or $50,000, and that's not fair, and that's why insurance exists. So the difference is this: right now, when you insure a vehicle, in most cases, yourself as a driver plays a role in your insurance rate, meaning if you're a risky driver, you're gonna get charged more for insurance than if you're a safer driver. So with that being said, you play a role in your insurance rate. But with driverless cars, since you're not gonna be driving them, I believe that you'll still have to pay for insurance, but you won't play a role in the insurance rate. I believe that the insurance rate will just be determined based on the value of the car, the likelihood of the car getting into an accident, if there are, let's say, better CPUs and worse CPUs, like better driverless cars and worse driverless cars, right? So the likelihood of it needing to be replaced, and maybe wherever you park it most often, if it's more likely to be stolen or anything like that. So those are the factors that will come into play. And in my opinion, it's going to be very similar to when you insure a piece of jewelry. So a piece of jewelry, if you get a really nice watch and you want to insure that watch, the insurance rate is going to be based on the value of the watch itself and like the likelihood of it getting lost or it getting stolen or anything like that. And when you get a driverless car in the future, I believe that it's going to be similar to that. Now, I truly believe that driverless cars are going to take over the roads. I believe that all we're going to have are driverless cars within the next little while. We're going to be able to see it happen, and it's going to be an incredible thing as long as all of the cars are driverless and there's no human input on what's happening with the cars, right? If all cars are driverless, there shouldn't be much of a problem, and hopefully the insurance will be really cheap because the likelihood of them getting into an accident is like slim to none. It's still somewhat possible, but the likelihood is like slim to none. So I'm thinking that the insurance will not be as much. So will you still have to pay insurance? Yes, but I don't think you will play a role as a driver in your insurance rate. And I also think that it'll be much cheaper because the insurance companies, they're not going to have to replace as many cars or fix as many cars as often. And that's it. That's the answer for will you have to pay insurance on driverless cars. Once again, it's just my opinion, and I'm just giving you my best guess. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.